Hello. Professor Pete here. It is week 3, and this video I'm going to explain to you the production pitch package assignment, which is due in a few weeks. So yeah, about 5 actually. There's so many questions every time I go on the Q&A, so I figure I make sure this video is very, very thorough so you know exactly what is needed for your next assignment. You're going to want to answer all these questions, make sure that your pitch package is very clear, and at the same time, hopefully you like my pseudo glasses. Actually, I used to have to wear glasses until I got LASIK done many, many years ago. But yeah, I'd like to bring it back every once in a while. Character design makes me look smart. Anyways, here we go. Here's the production package worth 35%, teams of 2. You'll design and produce assets from your pre-production pitch package with animation tests and a bunch of other stuff, and I'll outline that too. And you'll need to present this in a body of work in a series of PowerPoint slides. So similar to the pre-production, you'll need to make slides. Anyways, let's have a look at the rubric: creativity, technical, and presentation. Make sure the presentation is clear, concise, understandable, and in the allowed time under 5 minutes. And creativity is really going to be the main thing for the presentation to really, in a way, sell itself, because that's what a pitch package is. So most of the times, if you wanted to pitch, especially Netflix, for example, Netflix right now is on fire, and so they're always looking for new ideas. And you would show up if you were lucky enough to get a meeting with maybe one of their executives, and you would pitch your idea to them. You'd have like 5 minutes to pitch it to them. So that's exactly what we're doing here. In terms of the presentation, we have roughly, I just give a ballpark amount, 12 slides. So roughly 30 seconds, no more than 30 seconds per slide, right? To get under 5 minutes. Actually, it might be 25 seconds per slide. Anyways, first slide, okay, again, pretty normal stuff, name, roles. As you saw on my website and for my films, I always have a really unique logo for my title. So hopefully you did the same as well. But you want to see the names of the people on your team and the roles. So as a designer, as a director, things like that, animator. What's the main role, of course, right? That's what we're looking for. And then 10 slides, roughly, of your design process. The process of, drawing out the character design until you get to the final, and stuff like that. And then we want to see just a few references, similar to the pre-production. Just throw some of those in there. So again, you've really exhausted the idea of, okay, trying to find different versions of animated dogs or different types of dogs because your character is a dog, right? Again, we need one slide again to remind everyone what your pitch is. So we need the synopsis, the narrative, the genre, and target audience. Is it for kids? Is it for adults? That kind of thing. And then, like I said before, the character design inspirations and the final designs, along with other designs along the way, the process. Same with the environment, the change of emotion and jump animations. We'll be doing that later, but we'll be using After Effects. We'll take our characters and we'll just put them through a series of movements. So one is a change of emotion where the character goes from happy to sad, vice versa, and then just another one where it's a full body of the character and the character just jumps. So those need to be done and submitted in the presentation. So those will be just video files that you'll put into your PowerPoints. And then we'll also need storyboard drawings, which again I'll talk about later, and then an animatic. And then the last slide, you'll need again, summarizing your names, the roles, so the credits, any references that you may have used, and then the total number of hours spent so far on just the pitch package. So what you'll submit, okay, one goes online, so Blackboard, Canvas, whatever it is. It's a PowerPoint presentation, and no voice is needed. And then the other is the YouTube link, so you'll upload with your voice recording, whether using QuickTime or Bandicam, less than 5 minutes recording over your PowerPoint slides, so it'll be like an MP4 file, and that gets uploaded to YouTube. Hopefully that makes sense. Pitch packages are really, really useful because at some point in your life you may want to try to find investors to sell your ideas. I haven't done that myself yet. I've been able to find some super rich people who have tons of money to spend and have really strong broadcasting and distribution networks. But hopefully someday, either me or you will get there, and I think that'll be really exciting. Anyways, hopefully it's a short video. and hopefully it's very clear. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.